Welcome back, guys. Bitcoin is retracing a little bit. It might actually start to go down, and today I'm going to be discussing how low we could actually go to. We're going to also analyze, of course, the cryptocurrency market, the stock market, the XY, and we're going to talk about one specific coin, a AI coin, which I think has a potential to go up 5 times more for this 2024. But before we continue, if you don't mind to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. It's going to really help me to put additional content every single day. So let's cut the chase and let's get straight away into Bitcoin so we can do the point of the situation to see what's going to be happening between now and the next 1 to 2 weeks. As you can see, Bitcoin, we drew this pattern over here, guys, roughly 1 week ago, where we were showing that we had this breakage of this very important level of support. Bitcoin tried to go and retest this line over here. It got rejected, and then now it starts to go down again. And as my target here on the 4-hour chart, I think that we are going to continue to go down, and that's the two levels of support I'm actually looking at. So it's going to be the first level of support at around 49,600, and the second level of support is going to be at 48,200. But what happens if we're going to go even lower than this? Well, we can actually calculate our next level of support. So what I like to see from here will be to have a look at the lowest points over here and then draw a Fibonacci retracing so we can see exactly our points of interest. So as you can see, the first point is the one I've highlighted over here at 49,000. Then we got 47,500. 45,600, 44,200 for the 0.618 Fibonacci, and then 41,200. Now, looking at the situation right now over here, I believe that in the worst case scenario, Bitcoin could actually retrace down to this level over here of the Fibonacci, 44,000. I don't think we're going to go that low, but a very big area of support is going to be roughly around here, the $45,000 to $46,000. Because remember, guys, we are in a bull market right now. So we are in a bull market. All these dips are for buying, and then we need to just wait, how low we could go to. Another technique you can utilize to see the Bitcoin bottom as well is to probably draw a line over here, like a diagonal line. Let me just change the color because it looks is black, so I'm gonna go and change it to white. Fantastic. So you can see from here, if then I'm gonna go and extend my Fibonacci as well. So I'm gonna just take this one out of the way. So we went here. I'm gonna draw a new Fibonacci retracement from here. We can see all the different level of support, and then from here, as you can see, exactly matches the 0.236 around this level over here, which is the 15th of March. So it's quite interesting if you have a look at this, right? At the 15th of March, you can actually see that we're going to go into this level of support. And of course, to be bullish, Bitcoin has to keep this level of support. It's going to be very, very important. So what I could be expecting from here, guys, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you understand very well. I could be expecting Bitcoin maybe to go down here, retrace, and then continue to go down and maybe touch this level by the 15th of March, and then from here it's probably going to go and bounce and then continue all the way up. So I still believe we are in this very strong bull market. So then if I go and put the top of the channel from here, so I'm going to go and put this parallel channel from this level to this level, is going to bring me roughly to, I would say, $59,000 to $60,000. And again, what I can do from here to here, I can see what is the confluence here of the 0.618 Fibonacci, which is a very important level of support. I can just calculate it from here to here, like our latest leg up, and it's quite interesting that the 0.5 Fibonacci 46,000 is exactly where I put the lines over here, guys. Look at this. Look how perfect technical analysis can be sometimes. So then if I go over here and then I put a brush here, that's where I'm going to think, our next level of support is going to be. Is it going to happen for 100%? Is going to go to 46,000? Well, I don't know, guys, because Bitcoin is actually very strong. Now we got the ETF pressure. We could also be that we are going to retest, this line over here, and then it's going to go and pump all the way higher, but I would say that if I haven't bought at this level at 38,000, then probably my level I would probably be waiting for would be the 46 or even down to the 40, 44. But it doesn't mean that at 48 is not gonna do anything. It's gonna keep dropping. So we have to keep an eye on that as well, because if we're going to see a reversal, let's say from here to here, of course, then once you see a reversal like an engulfing candle, that could be my next level of support. But I guess we have different scenarios. Could be from here, could be down this way, or could be even down this way over here. But again, looks like the trend is up. We shouldn't be scared, because of course I'm going to show you even from here. That's going to be my expectation for the next 6 months, 4 to 6 months, maybe around June, July, where I'm expecting Bitcoin to have a local top at $83,000. So that the scenario I'm actually looking at, maybe a little bit of consolidation here, pullback down here at 44, 46,000, then another leg to 68,000, bit of pullback, and then finally the blow top up to 83,000, and then for next year up to 140,000. But let's cut the chase with Bitcoin, guys, because I want to talk about today a very important coin that has really took my my attention, and this one is FET, or Fetch.AI. Fetch.AI is one of the AI coins which I think is going to explode, especially if the AI mania is going to keep going for 2024, and this coin has a potential to go extremely high. So at the moment, right, I drew this chart over here, which I'm actually highlighting this potential cup and handle pattern. So cup and handle patterns are usually continuation pattern, and it looks like FET is actually in this pattern over here. So what I'm going to show you as well, in general, a cup and handle pattern has a cup like that, and a handle over here like similar to a flag. Right now, like you can see that we actually got out from the handle. We pumped to all-time high, very, very high, and we reached this level over here at roughly $1.23. And the question is how high we could go from here. Well, I would say in the next 4 to 6 months, maybe until the end of the year, if Bitcoin, of course, is going to break the $83,000 to $84,000, I can see Fetch.AI to actually go FET go as high as for the Fibonacci extension of 4.236. So Fibonacci extension is a mathematical sequence which can help us to understand how high a cryptocurrency coin could actually go to. And it is my expectation that if Bitcoin is going to go to over 100,000 or even to 83,000 as a local top, I can see Fetch.AI at least, guys, at least to go to these levels over here. So I'm going to get my cycle path. Maybe we can see that it's going to pump to $2 retracement, $3 retracement, and keep going. And then the next, the last, I would say, level of resistance is going to be at the 4.236 at the Fibonacci, which corresponds to $5. So right now we are at $1.02, and then it might actually go higher as $5, which is a 5x from here. Of course, it's not going to go in a straight line like that, but we're going to be like some bumpy rides and some consolidation, but I would say that's my expectation. But medium to short term, we need to also analyze what could be happening, because at the moment, I mean, although we are in this cup and handle, we actually had a retracement here and then a pump to the upside. We can actually have to be realistic and see how what's going to happen right now. So at the moment, Fetch touched this very important level. He went up to $1.23. Now is actually retracing down to this exponential moving average, and we can see actually how low it could go to, right? So my theory will be that what could be happening with Fetch, if I calculate and then connect this point here to this point over here, it can actually bring me down to the 20 moving average. So I wouldn't be surprised if actually now we're going to go and retrace down to this level here at 85 cents. So we need to especially have a look, because first of all, we have an EMA 9 here, which is also like a Fibonacci retracement at roughly 97 cents. So you could actually retrace down to here. Then we need to see now if it's going to go and then push again up, or is it going to form like a bull flag over here. So my theory is going to be that we're going to probably retrace down to this level over here at 84 to 85 cents, and we're going to form a potential bull flag. And then this bull flag is actually going to break to the upside. And of course, the target is going to be, we can actually calculate from here to here, then is going to be from this point here. I'm going to go to Paul. I'm going to get a bull flag. So the next target could be for Fetch.AI as high as actually $1.70, and then maybe a bit of consolidation and then push to maybe $2 for the next, we don't know, like, 2 to 3 months. But short term, especially if now Bitcoin is going to correct down to $48,000 to $46,000, I'm actually expecting a little bit of a pullback. We can also see even like, short term, I'm going to go on the 4-hour chart where we can see even better. I mean, we can see now, like, we broke this level over here. We form also, if I'm going to go on the 1 hour, it looks like we form almost like a head and shoulder from here. As you can see, we have the shoulder, then we have a head and the shoulder as well. Then we can calculate the neckline, and we can see, like, we broke all this structure over here. So I guess, what could be happening right now, it could be a sort of a maybe pullback from here, retouch, the $1.75, and then continue to go down with a target at least of 93, because the 93 is the 200 moving average, and of course we need to see what's going to be happening over there. But right now looks like the structure is actually getting broken down, and we need to see after what's going to happen. We can also see on the 4-hour chart how low we could go to. So as you can see from here, it's actually quite evident, right, that we broke the structure, and we need to see how low we could go to. What I can do, I can also draw a diagonal level of support over here, another diagonal level which could be from here to here as well, and then another level which could be around this level here. So as you can see, we broke this level. We're probably going to go in that cross very soon, so the expectation will be maybe a bit of a retracement here, and then to continue to go down, maybe around this level over here at 8. So to summarize again, guys, FET looks absolutely sensational. I think it's going to go way higher than this, maybe in the next 4 to 6 months, with a target of as probably $5. But short term, depending if Bitcoin is going to go down, it's going to consolidate down to 46 to 48K. I'm expecting a little bit of a sell-off, maybe to go back to this previous high at roughly 80 cents, and then it's going to continue all the way up. No financial advice, but what I'm going to do, I'm just waiting for the pullback to come at around 80 to 90 cents. I'm going to load up my truck, and then it's going to ride all the way once I see Bitcoin pumping again up to $58,000 to $59,000, and then of course breaking all-time high. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have a question, leave a comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button for more notification for new videos. We post one video every single day. Take care, and I'm going to see you tomorrow for another altcoin which I think is going to have a crazy potential to go up.